The black-faced ibis is a South American bird from the ibis family. It measures between 71 to 76 centimeters in length and is known for its striking appearance, a brown head, neck, and chest, gray wings, and a black belly and tail. It has strong dark red legs and a distinctive curved, dark gray beak. This bird is native to southern Chile and Argentina and can also be found in parts of Ecuador, Bolivia, and Peru. It thrives in open grasslands, pastures, and wetlands near rivers. The black-faced ibis feeds on insects, larvae, worms, snails, and occasionally small amphibians. They nest in colonies of up to 50 pairs, building their nests on rocks or in red thickets. Fascinating creatures, aren't they?